We're doing another edition of Meller Marketing
Da-da-da.
unboxing, and I
Second
received maybe a third one. I
Because
don't
we
know.
did a license.
Yeah, we've done a couple other ones. We've done a business card reveal. Today is the National Day Calendar. Celebrate
2020.
every day. 2020. Every day calendar reveal. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started here. I'm going to open this package up here. I'm not going to be in the video because I'm very casual
Can I
right
show
now.
it?
You can show it, but I'm not going to be in the video because this is a...
They can see me.
You're going to see a little bit of my arm going on here in a second here.
It's fine. You can still see your arm. Do not go ahead and handle
Okay.
it there. Thank you.
Okay. So there we have it. Look at this beauty. Celebrate
Avocado.
every day.
Especially
Avocado day. There's a waffle day.
Ooh, sorry.
Bet you didn't know about that. There's a
What's
pepperoni pizza day.
Selfie day.
Bird day.
Ooh, you know where
Strawberry day.
Ooh, that sounds good.
There's a panda day.
Mikey
Selfie
would
day.
love that.
Surprisingly, Chris Meller's picture's not on there, but it is a selfie day. There's a peanut butter and jelly day.
Okay.
And then
These are like the calendars.
this is the calendar. So let's open this up.
Ooh,
So I ordered
Okay,
this
corn
in 2019.
Ooh.
Whoops. Light catastrophe.
Hey, bro, look at
It's fine. We'll fix it.
the whole entire thing. Okay.
Okay. So this sometimes happens behind the scenes when you're doing videos.
Beginning the scenes of Meller marketing.
All right.
Yeah, I can't hear it.
And we're back. All right. So we had a little light incident, and we're just going to leave it at that. But that's sometimes what happens when you do live videos. You have incidences. So this is a National Day calendar, as I was stating earlier before I was really interrupted by my light catastrophe. I ordered this in 2019 for National Day calendar, and they give you a 2020 calendar at the same time. So I think I got the 2019 calendar free with the purchase of the 2020. So anyways, this is a really great calendar if you do any sort of social media postings for your company and if you like to have a little bit of fun. You can see here every month they show you monthly observations, and then day by day they're going to show you day celebrations as well. So what I might do is I'm going to look through this calendar, and day by day I may notice some days that have something to
What
do
about Diaz Dios
with my
Day of the Dead? Who is that?
business, with my client's business.
My daughter's business.
You do not have a business yet. And I'm just looking through to see if I can see anything on
Day.
here.
Oh, it's cute.
Oh, so here's one. So grab me a highlighter, Charlotte. Grab me that bright pink highlighter that's in my bin over here.
This one?
I've got one of my interns working with me tonight.
Can I highlight
So
it?
what I want you to do is I want you to highlight, where's it at in here? Bittersweet Chocolate Day. Go ahead and highlight that for me.
Chocolate
Charlotte?
covered cherry day.
Fine. I have that one too. So we've got my assistant working for me here.
Hello.
And then highlight Chocolate Covered Cherry Day as
That
well.
sounds good.
So, come January 3rd, if I'm struggling with what I
Sorry.
talk about on Meller Marketing, I love coffee, pie, and chocolate, and I might do a feature of Chocolate Covered Cherry Day. And same thing on January 10th. I might not have anything to post that day, and I might look up and find
Oh, that's
a
Jasmine's
picture
birthday, and that's Tori's.
of bittersweet chocolate, and maybe that's what I post. And this calendar is just wonderful. Every day of the month
then can I
has
highlight
a different day. Can I? Every day of the month has a different calendar day. And then we just go through and, you start with
big of it.
the monthly observations in every month, and then you look at the daily observations.
Boy
And they do have
Scouts
this.
Day.
What's that?
Boy Scouts Day.
Yep. They do have this online as well, so you can kind of go through and actually get an email notification from the same company too.
2019 too.
And you can just go through and use this to help plan on content for the year. And try not to take yourself too seriously on social media. Try to incorporate things that are related to your business. You can see here, coffee, pie, and chocolate. I love chocolate, so I might do a feature of S'mores Day. And here's Waffle Day. So maybe somebody in my family, my kids may like waffles, so maybe I do a feature of Waffle Day. And try to incorporate some personality with your business.
Yes.
And that's it. This has been the unboxing of National Day Calendar
Welcome back to Murmur.
featuring the 2020 calendar. Highly recommend you pick one of these babies up online. And you can learn all about them by going into I think it's nationaldaycal.com, something like that. But you can look them up online. Here it is right here, nationaldaycalendar.com. And you can use hashtag celebrate every day when you're doing the postings, in addition to the hashtags I have set up for the day. So that's it, guys. This is Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing, and hopefully you've enjoyed this feature, and consider picking up a calendar of your own.
Cool.
Have a great day. Thanks.